Hey guys, 392 Style here. Just want to show you guys our pencil case and mechanical pencil set combo. We got 4 different colors here and 4 different color pencils, all matching. It's the mono mechanical pencil with the eraser combo. I think you guys will like this one. Here's the pencil tip. It's really nice. It's really strong. Really clean look. Here's the extending eraser in the back. And then how do you push out the lead? It's the clip. Nice. Well, if you're interested, come and check out our website at 392 Style. Alright, bye guys.